used in real-life situations. This will be expressed through telephone charges per calling minutes. A linear equation is an algebraic equation in which each term is either a constant or the product of a constant and single variable.
I thought you read that second part.
Yeah, but you have to film Alec.
Huh?
You have to film him.
Doing what?
Because I say this can be expressed when Alec over here gets a phone call.
Oh, you already said that? Alright, no, so we'll be like, ring, 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 and then just like have like a nice little tiny conversation.
This banana has Bluetooth capabilities.
No.
It allows me to talk hands-free.
Yeah, just start freestyling.
Freestyle it what?
Just pretend you're having a
Whenever
combo.
I'm done saying this, start filming Alec.
Well, yeah, well, today,
And then whenever you
during
talk,
math
give
class,
the camera to me.
It's like,
today
today,
during
Matt,
math class, Miss
I had
Holland
the
said...
greatest day.
Okay.
Something
Give me
No,
the-
I know.
Restart.
Okay.
That'd be so much better. This is Jeremy Wodowiak.
This is Alec Raymond.
And this is Dan Brisky.
You have to turn off the music.
Just read.
Today we'll be selling.
that's bad.
Trying to...
This is Jeremy Wodowiak.
This is Alec Raymond.
And this is Dan Brisky.
Turn it off.
You press next song.
This is Jeremy Wodowiak.
This is Alec Raymond.
And this is Dan Brisky.
Today we'll be solving linear equations used in real-life situations. This will be expressed through telephone charges per calling minutes. A linear equation is an algebraic equation in which each term is either a constant or the product of a constant and a single variable.
Ring, 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 ring.
Hello. Hey, Miss Holland, how's it going?
This can be expressed when Alec over here gets a phone call from Miss Holland. Alec's phone company charges $30 a month and an extra 10 cents per minute. This can be represented by y equals mx plus b.
Y equals the total amount of money Alec owes per month. M equals the cost of each minute that Alec must pay. And X is the amount of calling minutes per month. B is the initial upfront cost Alec must always pay per month.
Now we'll plug the data into the equation. The equation is y equals mx plus b. M equals 0.10
Keep going.
cents multiplied by my number of minutes, which was 20 minutes, if you forgot. Then add this to the monthly charge of $30. The equation will look like y equals 10 cents times 20 plus 30. Once this is solved, you will get the total amount of money. I added this up and got $132.
Say Alex spends 100 total minutes on the phone in 1 year. To get his total phone bill for the year, we must multiply the monthly steady cost by 12, and that equals 360. Plug this into his total minutes into the y equals mx plus b to get y equals 0.1 times 100 plus 360. This equals $370, which is Alex's total bill for the year.
Okay, so
Alright, then we'll just start burying.
What are we gonna? We're gonna do something with this.
How long was this? This is Dan Brisky.
And this is Jeremy Wodowiak. Today we'll be.
Fuck you, Alex.
This is Dan Brisky.
And this is Jeremy Wodowiak.
What? Alex, stop.
You spit all over me, too.
This is Alec Raymond.
This is Dan Brisky.
And this is Jeremy Wodowiak. Today we'll be solving linear equations used in real life situations.
This is Dan Brisky.
And this is Jeremy Wodowiak. Today we'll be solving linear equations.
Alec Raymond.
This is Dan Brisky.
And this is Jeremy Wodowiak. Today we'll be solving linear equations used in real life situations.
Just go.
This will be expressed through telephone charges per calling minutes.
This is Dan Brisky.
And this is Jeremy Wodowiak. Today we'll be solving linear equations.
You guys.
Y equals the total amount of money Alec owes per month. M equals the cost of each minute that Alec must pay. And X is the amount of calling minutes per month. B is the initial upfront cost Alec must pay per month. Alright, just pause after mine. You
Yeah.
can just splice all those together.
Now I will be.
Okay.
Come on.
I can't do that. Just give me a steady.
This isn't right.
What?
This point 1 right there.
What?
That should be linear equations to figure out the cost for cell phone bills. The only difference is the cost per minute, the initial rate, and yes, no. Also use linear equation to figure out the cost of cell phone bills. The only difference is the minute and the initial rate. Say the initial rate was now $40 per month and I use 50 minutes of talking time per month. The minutely cost is still the same though. Once plugged in, you get 0.1 times 50 plus 40. This equals 45 for the month. What? You can also use a linear equation to figure out the cost of cell phone bills.
Ring, ring, ring.
The only difference is the cost per minute and the initial rate. Say the initial rate was now $40 per month and I use 50 minutes for talking time per month. The minutely cost would still be the same, however. Once you plug in, you get y equals 10 cents times 50 plus 40. This equals $45 for the month.
And this concludes our video. Just let me say it. And this concludes our video.
We like burn, we like burn, we moving like burn. When it's the weekend, we moving like burn, we like burn, we moving like.
When should I go? Raymond.
This is Dan Brisky.
And this is Jeremy Wadoyak.
This is Dan Brisky.
And this is Jeremy Wadoyak. Today we'll be solving linear equations using...
You're